Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to our series of lessons on parts of speech. My name is Sharmila, and in this lesson, we are going to learn about nouns. The first part of speech, Mr. Noun. So, what's a noun? A noun is a naming word. A naming word. What do you mean by that? Well, everything in this world has a name, and that name is a noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, feeling, or an idea. A noun can be a common noun that generally names a class of people, place, animal, or a thing. A proper noun that is a special name of a particular person, place, animal, or thing. An abstract noun, it names things you cannot see or touch. And a collective noun that refers to a group of people, animals, or things. In this lesson, we will first talk about common nouns, proper nouns, and abstract nouns, which form a very important area of nouns. In the following videos, we will discuss the very interesting collective nouns, and finally, we will turn to the most important topic relating to gender, singular and plural nouns, countable and uncountable nouns, compound nouns, and possessive noun case. So, let's begin this lesson with common nouns. What is a common noun? A common noun is a general noun. Common noun generally refers to the name of a class of people, places, animals, birds, and things. For example, people, man, woman, boy, girl, family, teacher, doctor, engineer. Animals and birds like lion, tiger, bear, dog, cat, wolf, parrot, butterfly, peacock. Places, beach, desert, city, village, river, restaurant, hospital, library, park, mountain. Things, shoe, marker, desk, ink, window, chairs, tables, books, ships, boats, house, tea, sugar, salt, milk. Seasons too come under common noun like autumn, spring, winter, summer. Remember this rule. We usually write a common noun in the lower case unless it is at the beginning of this sentence. Now take a look at these sentences. The cow is a domestic animal. Cows are raised as dairy animals for milk and other dairy products. Both cow and cows are common nouns. But if you see in the second sentence, the beginning of the sentence has cows has first letter capital. Now let's move on to proper noun. What is a proper noun? All nouns name something, but proper nouns name them specifically. A proper noun is the name given to a specific individual or a specific place or a specific thing. Like, my name is Sharmila. I live in Bengaluru. So, what are the proper nouns here? Sharmila and Bengaluru. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Some more examples of proper nouns: person, Arun, Ramya, Ranish, Ruby. Place, as in Asia, Paris, Delhi, Mars, North Pole, Amazon forest. Animal, African lion, Rosie the cat. Things, Parker pen, Natraj pencil, Samsung TV, Usha fan. We use capitals with letters that stand alone, as in U-turn, T-shirt, X-ray. Also, we capitalize the titles used before the names. as in Mrs. Mehra, Mr. Salian, Dr. Kamath, Sir, Madam. Now, take a look at this chart. In this chart, all the nouns to the left are common nouns and all the nouns on the right are proper nouns. For example, beach is a common noun, any beach. But Juhu Beach is the name of one particular beach in Mumbai. In the same way, as we go further, book is a common noun. But when we talk about specific novels or holy books, it's written with a capital first letter, a proper noun. In this table, if you have noticed, common nouns are in the lower case and proper nouns are written with the capital first letter. For example, university is a common noun. The whole word is written in lower case. But when we are talking about a specific university like the University of Mysore, notice that both the U in the university and M in Mysore are capitals. That's because it's a proper noun and refers to one specific university. Similarly, with days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we always write them with the first letter capitalized because days of the week were named after planets, and it is the same thing for months as well. From January to December, the names of the months are derived from Roman gods, Roman rulers and Roman numbers, so they are written in capital letters. Don't forget this rule. Proper nouns are always written with the first letter capitalized. Now, let's do an exercise. Identify the common nouns and proper nouns in these sentences. Take a look. Now, let's check out whether you are right in your answers. During summer season, days are longer and nights are shorter. Summer, season, days, nights are all common nouns. Yes, you got it. My family consists of 10 members. Grandparents, parents, uncle, aunt, 2 brothers, 1 sister and me. Family, members, grandparents, parents, uncle, aunt, brothers, sister. You got it, common noun. We are planning to visit Aunt Goody this weekend. Aunt Goody, a proper noun. We are only talking about one aunt, Aunt Goody, so it's specific. So A in aunt also becomes capital and G in Goody is capital. I am a boy, I am Swoges, I have a dog, his name is Jack. So what are the common nouns here? Boy and dog. What about Swoges? Swoges is the name of one boy. And what about Jack? Jack is the name of the dog. So Swoges and Jack are, yes, proper nouns. I'm a girl, I'm Pavika. I have a doll, a Barbie doll. So girl and doll are common nouns. Pavika and Barbie doll are proper nouns. Yes, I want to become a doctor. I'm Dr. Unnati. So doctor is the common name of a person, a group of person. Doctor is a common name, but Dr. Unnati is a specific name, so it's proper noun. That man is a general in the army. This is General Patil. So general and army are common nouns and General Patil is a proper noun. Ria ate an apple. She has an Apple phone. She works for Apple. Ria, it's a proper noun. Apple, a common noun. She has an Apple phone. So she has an Apple phone. Apple phone is the name of one brand of phone. So Apple phone. She works for Apple. Apple is a company. So it's Apple here is a company. So it's a proper noun. There is a spider in the bathroom. The spider is on the road. So are you confused? Why one spider has lowercase and another spider has capital first letter S? There is a spider in the bathroom. Spider and bathroom are common nouns. There are many spiders. But here, look at this sentence. The spider is on the road. That means we are talking about Fiat 124 spider, a particular car. The spider is on the road. You got it? Okay, so let's move on and talk about abstract nouns. What are abstract nouns? Abstract nouns are nouns that refer to an emotion, a feeling, quality, or an idea that doesn't have any physical existence. Something you cannot touch, or see, or smell, or taste, or hear. Abstract nouns refer to emotions and feelings like joy, passion, excitement, naughtiness, happiness, hate, anger, fear. It also refers to states and qualities like clarity, creativity, brilliance, courage, wisdom. It refers to ideas and concepts like dream, truth, justice, health, knowledge, information, freedom, democracy. It refers to moments, events, situations like birthday, marriage, birth, childhood, career, death. Now, take a look at this sentence. Honesty is the best policy. It's a very popular proverb in English. In this, honesty and policy are both nouns, but they are abstract nouns. Take a look at this example. Love is an emotion of affection and pleasure. Love, affection, pleasure is the name of a feeling. So, it's an abstract noun. Emotion too is an abstract noun. Anger, happiness, you can feel them in your heart. You know they are there somewhere when you feel the happiness, when you are angry. You know it's there somewhere inside you. But you can't touch it with your fingers or taste it with your tongue or smell it with your nose. Right? Yes. Take a look at these examples. I can see an apple. I can't see love. I can see and touch a flower. I can feel its beauty. Have you got it? Yes. So now, what are we going to do? We have come to the end of the class. So let's do a quick recap. We started today's class with common nouns. Common noun generally names a class of people, place, animal, bird, or a thing. A proper noun is the name given to a specific individual or a specific place or a specific thing. And finally, it's abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are feelings or ideas, something we cannot touch or see. And that brings us to the end of this lesson. I hope you understood the concepts and enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Meet you again in my next video on collective nouns. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, stay blessed. Thank you for being my inspiration. Be happy always.